Hello all, welcome to my new video. Today I'm shooting almost after 9 or 10 months. It's 10 months, and today we have esp32, my old friend, and we have DHT22. It is basically a temperature and humidity sensor. I will explain the interface first. This plus terminal is connected with 3.3 volt on board, minus is connected with ground, and out is connected with D4 pin of ESP32 board. And today we'll be uploading the results, means the output temperature and humidity, on Google supported Firebase. It is another one of the dashboard which is widely used, and it also supports the application development also. But today we'll not go in that much, and just will upload the real-time data onto the Google's Firebase cloud, Google's Firebase real-time database. So we'll quickly move to the Firebase and we'll show you how to set up the database on Google Firebase. We'll create a new project. So click on create project. Give a suitable name. I will type it as DHT22 test1. Click on continue. So it will ask you for Google Analytics for Firebase project. So we are just doing a demo purpose, so I will disable it and click on create project. It will take a while and will create a required setup in the cloud, so just hang on a moment. It's almost finished. Yeah, your new project is ready. So click on continue. It will take you to the dashboard. Click on authentication first and click on get started. So it basically supports a wide variety of authentication platform like email, password. You can use your Gmail account, Facebook, Google Play, GitHub. You can use a phone. So I am just choosing as anonymous and enable it. It is only for demo purpose, so anonymous is like acceptable. Click on save. Okay, so login method is set to anonymous. Then go to real-time database. Click on create database. It will ask you the real-time database location. You can choose the nearest one. I am using the United States as a default one and proceeding. Now it will ask you for security rules, so I am just using in a test mode and click on enable. So it will set up the real-time database. Yeah, so you can see our real-time database is ready. Just click this on copy reference URL. It will be required in our project. So here is my code, which is already I have prepared. Replace this as your URL. Now go to this settings icon on project settings and click on this web API key. It will be required again in the program. So paste it here and I am uploading my code to ESP32. I am clicking on upload, and as you can see the system is compiling the sketch, and it will take a moment or two to compile and push the code on to ESP32. So just hang on, fingers crossed. Seems it's almost done compiling, so wait a moment more. Yeah, and it is connecting with my board, which is connected on COM3, and it is started uploading. Yeah, so let the code finish its work. Yeah, uploading done, 100%. Hard reset, I'm doing it. Just open serial monitor. Hard reset done. Yeah, so it is resetting my device, and I'm opening my database. And yeah, you can see humidity 39.50 and temperature 33.9. Wait a moment, it will again push the details. Yeah, see, 39.1 and temperature 33.9. so currently my location, let's take a look. It is showing me 39, which is outside temperature. I am right now in a room, so temperature and humidity both will differ, so it's not a big deal. If I move the sensor outside, it will give me the accurate result. So this is all about Firebase real-time database. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click on subscribe and like. Thank you.